We are Brian and Jennifer Thomas. We are building the Newport model out at Tucson Village. I guess just going through, they made it pretty easy as far as we went through different homes, right? And couple different neighborhoods even. We got to see different things. And, we fell in love with the Newport model, and then going through and picking out stuff. It wasn't too difficult. Caitlin made it easy. So yeah, there was an ease to it. We had, they emailed us something, we went out and picked some stuff, and then we went through it all again with Caitlin, and it was fairly easy. Picking the tiles, that was, we did our best. Hopefully we made good choices. First build, and yeah, we're
looking forward to it.
Looking forward to it. Hoping it goes smooth. Well, we're early in the stages, but the salespeople we worked with were very friendly and very proactive with us, so it all went pretty well. So we would recommend that. We recommend Shaw for that regard.